forest deep and wide, where golden sun and breezes glide, lived a parrot green and bright, with a voice so sweet, so light. On a leaf of emerald hue lived a ladybird so true, dotted red with tiny grace. She'd explore at her own pace. Parrot calls with colors bold, ladybird in tales retold. Together in that sylvan air, dreams were woven pure and rare. Sang of far-off seas, ladybird danced with gentle ease. Feathered songs in tiny flight turned the day into the night. From the skies to forest floor, they discovered evermore. Hidden groves and secret streams shared their world and shared their dreams. Joy to that enchanted place. Nature's wonders they did find in the forest intertwined. Parrot song and ladybird's grace brought joy to that enchanted